Hello friends, welcome to Creative Medicine. In this lecture, we will learn about
Now, next we have in the next X-ray view is actually the Towns view. So here we have Towns view. Now in the Towns view we have antero-posterior view. This is antero-posterior view, which is this is the frontal process. This is the occipital. So it is fronto-occipital view. Here the structures which are visualized by this Towns view is we can see the diaphragma cella of the front sphenoid bone. So here you can see the diaphragma cella of sphenoid bone, and inferior orbital fissure can be visualized by this Towns view.
thank you and thank you for watching.